your iPhone's camera not recognizing QR codes? This issue can occur due to settings, camera issues, or even poor lighting. Follow these steps to fix the problem and get your iPhone's camera scanning QR codes again. Let's get started with the solution. Solution 1. Ensure QR code scanner is enabled. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Camera. Ensure the Scan QR codes toggle is turned on. If this is already on, then turn it off and turn it back on again. After that, restart your camera from your iPhone. Just by swiping up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher and remove it from here. Solution 2. Clean your camera lens. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to clean the camera lens. Ensure there's no dirt or smudges blocking the camera view. Often having dirt on camera can cause this issue. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset. Then choose Reset all settings. Confirm when prompted. This will reset system settings but won't erase your data. By following these steps, your camera should start recognizing QR codes again. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.